Team Digital Transformation Empire.
Digital Transformation Empire.
Digital Transformation Program.
Digital Transformation Empire.
Digital Transformation Program.
Digital Transformation Marketing.
Digital Transformation Program.
Digital Transformation Program.
Digital Transformation Empire.
Digital Transformation Program.
Digital Transformation Program.
Digital Transformation Empire.
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 Everyone, my name is Ryan Gumbok. Isa po akong tambay before na wala pong ibang other source of income kundi ang paglalaro lamang ng basketball. I've been doing this business for 1 year at sa 1 year po na yon, we earned almost 5 million. At dahil sa Digital Transformation Program na ito, naging Director 1 po ako. At lahat po ng utang na bayaran, pagparenovate ng bahay, nagkasasakyan. After 1 month ko pong ginawa yung business, nabili ko po yung isa sa pinapangarap kong motor nung tambay pa po ako, which is top of the line model Raider 150. So kasagsagan po ng pandemic, nakabili po kami ng mga lupain. At ang good news po nun, within this year yung goal po namin, makapagpatayo ulit ng bahay at makabili ng pinapangarap namin sasakyan, Montero Sport top of the line model.
Hello everyone, I'm Christine Escote Gumbok, dating Jollibee crew, at ginagawa po namin yung negosyo as a couple. Grabe po, laking pagbabago po yung nangyari sa aming buhay, and always remember that God will not give you everything kapag hindi ka pa po handa. Just do your part and everything will follow. Kaya po I am so very thankful and grateful dahil sa Digital Transformation Program, dito mo lang mararanasan yung tinatawag na time and financial freedom na ini-enjoy namin ngayon.
Kaya ikaw, kung may duda at takot sa isipan mo, tanggalin mo yung duda at takot dyan. Kasi nga, walang magandang mangyayari sa taong nakasara ang isipan. Lagi mong tatandaan, kaibigan, always yung problema. Paulit-ulit yung problema. Way back 5 years ago, alam ko, problema mo pera. Pustahan tayo, pag magkita tayo ulit, for the next 1 year to 2 years from now, ganon pa rin yung magiging problema mo. Kaya, if you want change to happen, make change to happen. Join our empire. Once again, my name is Ryan Gumbok, nagsasabing, success is not about a destination, it is about how you enjoy your journey with God and Digital Transformation Program. Impossible is nothing.
Hi everyone, good morning. I'm Edward Mark Iniegues Morante III, a graduate of Mechanical Engineering at University of San Carlos, Cebu City. We have our own traditional business of fruits and vegetables. Nagpapadala po kami ng sarili naming produkto sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. And this is my wife.
Hello guys, I'm Joyce Alvarez Gabucan Morante, a graduate of BS in Tourism at Lyceum of the Philippines, Intramuros, Manila. I work as a call center agent of an insurance company at Makati City. Then, as a telephone operator, front desk, and an event coordinator of our hotels. How we involved? How we invited? Sino nag-imbita? Wala. No one invited us. Nagkataon lang na may table talk presentation at nagkataon na nandun kami. Nakiisyoso kami. Nakinig kung anong pinag-uusapan nilang business opportunity. Last part, we joined, sinubukan namin, at winwork hard namin as a couple. We are very thankful for this Digital Transformation Program because we earned more than 400,000.
Kaya sa mga curious, bago at nagdadalawang isip pa, opportunity only knocks once. Grab the opportunity dahil baka ito na yung matagal mo nang pinapangarap.
Ang dreams namin as a couple ay ginawa namin goal dahil impossible is nothing.
Hello guys, by the way po, ako po pala si Almer Isiderio. Isa po akong lending collector sa dati kong trabaho. 5 years po ako sa pagiging collector at sa awa ng Diyos, Isa na po akong full-time technopreneur. At nang dahil po yan sa Digital Transformation Program, ang nakaka-excite ay halos kumita ako ng almost 300,000, halos maaabot ko na yung pangarap ko. Kaya guys, kung nagdududa ka, alisin mo na yung duda mo. Kasi pag nagduda ka, papatayin ka ng duda mo at hihilain ka pababa sa mga pangarap mo. Kasi sa Digital Transformation Program, impossible is nothing.
Good morning everyone, I'm Jacqueline Lawas and this is my partner.
Hello, I am Dexter J. Gabutin. We are from Cordal City, South Cotabato. Konting background po, dati po akong aircon technician sa isang company and nasubukan din po namin magbenta ng supplements sa isang company. Naimbitahan lang po kami ng kaibigan. So we started Digital Transformation Program last November. Pagpunting po, tinabaho lang namin, sineryoso namin. Dahil sa Digital Transformation Program, kumita po kami more than 700,000 and nakabili po kami ng property. Na kung ikaw po yung nakakapanood ng video na to, sana na-inspire ka namin. Kung may pangarap ka para sa pamilya mo, now this is the time na para magsimula ka. Kasi nga, nasasayang na yung oras at ang panahon mo. Dahil sa Digital Transformation Program, no, malaki po ang natulong po sa amin, lalo na sa pamilya namin. Maraming salamat po. So dito po, impossible is nothing.
Everyone, I'm Rachel Cadiven, a public school teacher. I'm here to share with you my testimony, how Crowd One changes my life. Back then, I wasn't able to pay all my obligations. I am really struggling financially. I prayed harder every day that my situation will be changed. And luckily, I found an amazing digital marketing that helps me solve my burden. Since then, I was able to pay my bills, do some shopping with less worries, bought another portion of our residential lot, and a renovation of our house. With this privilege, I can say that I am blessed enough that I've been part of this excellent platform with my director Juan Serac. I am forever grateful to the admin and staff who made this company possible and accessible. To all my uplines, my family and friends, thank you so much for the trust and support. And of course, to God, the source of everything. Thank you so much, Lord, for granting my wishes and changing my lives. I am proud to be part of Digital Transformation Team in Bukidnon. Hashtag Impossible is Nothing.
Hello sa lahat. Ako po si Ellen Balmadres Pitpit, isang OFW housemate dito sa Dammam, Saudi Arabia at isa ding Crowd One affiliate. In 1 year and 2 months po sa negosyong ito, kumita ako ng 500,000 at nakuha ko na yun. Asawa ko ang taga-claim ng income dyan sa Pinas. Ni-claim niya sa Palawan, Eastern Union, Cebuana. At sobrang thankful po ako sa negosyong ito kasi yung bahay na pinatayo ko last August patapos na. In Crowd One income at sahod ko dito ang ginasto ko. Sa mga inimbita ko sa negosyong ito, lalo na sa mga kapwa kong OFW, guys, be open-minded. Subukan nyo sa Crowd One kasi ako sinubukan ko rin 1 year ako at ngayon kumita na ako at saka ready na ako mag full-time this year sa negosyo na ito.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Bong. Isa po ako sa mga achievers dito sa Digital Transformation Program. So I've been in the business for 1 year and 2 months. And the span of 5 months po, ganun kabilis, kumita po ako ng 1 million and bumili po ako ng sarili kong kotse. Ayan, cash, Toyota Vios po. And then, I am also a gamer. So, I play a lot of games, no? Ito po yung hobby ko. So, bumili din ako ng sarili kong gaming PC worth 250,000. High-end po. Intel Core i9. Okay? 9th gen. Maraming salamat sa mga tumulong sa akin. Upline Warren, Upline Larry, and sa grupo po natin. Congratulations po sa ating lahat.
Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ako pala si Arnold Ikan from Dabulog, Bukidnon. So, dating empleyado, negosyante, doing Crowd 1 part-time. Last February 2019, nakilala ko si Crowd 1 o si ICT, Impact Crowd Technology. Hindi ko rin siya naintindihan. After a week, dahan-dahan ko siya pinag-aralan dahil sa system ng digital transformation. Nahit ko, nakuha ko yung first million in just 3 months. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. Nakabili na ako ng sasakyan ngayon at lupain. Sa lahat ng nagduda pa o hindi pa member, so, tapusin na natin to. Ito na ang tamang pagkakataon. Kasi may pangarap tayo lahat. Kaibigan, may pangarap ka. At lalo na sa anak mo, may pangarap sila. Right company, right opportunity, right team na handang tumulong sa pangarap mo. Ito na ang grupo ng Digital Transformation Empire. Kaya kaibigan, magdesisyon ka na.
Hi, my name is Mark Anthony Kaharian. Isa po akong optometrist by profession. Alam niyo po yun, yung doktor sa mata, no? Sa kagustuhan ko na magkaroon ng additional source of income ay sumali po ako sa mga iba't ibang networking, no? And sad to say, even yung mga malalaking networking companies, trinay ko in-workout. At sad to say, hindi po siya nag-workout talaga, no? Hanggang sa tumigil ako at sumali sa mga online investment scheme, ganun pa rin, instead na kumita tayo, ay mas lalo pa tayong natalo, no? So, sinabi ko na siguro hindi ito para sa akin. But, thankful ako dahil sa isang kaibigan ko na si Larry, na isa rin kababata ko. Ups, Larry, thank you. Dahil inintroduce na sa akin itong digital business platform, no? Nung una parang ayaw ko pa, at sabi ko wala namang mawawala, kaya susubukan ko. And I'm so amazed sa result dahil in just a matter of 1 year and 4 months ay umabot na po ang total earnings ko ng 1.5 million pesos. Happy ako doon kasi ginagawa ko lang naman siya part-time, no? So how much more kung gagawin ko pa siya full-time. So ito ang kaganahan dahil pwede natin gawin part-time and online, no? So thankful din ako dahil napasali ako sa Digital Transformation Empire, isa sa pinakamalakas na team dahil importante talaga ang teamwork na may tutulong sa'yo kapag gawin mo itong business nito. Kaya kung ikaw, papanood mo itong video na ito at hindi mo pa alam kung ano itong digital business platform na ginagawa namin, I suggest na tingnan mo siya dahil baka ito na rin ang opportunity na pwedeng magkapagbabago ng buhay mo.
Hello everyone! I'm Vivian Arceo Guarizo from Quezon, Bukidnon. I joined Digital Transformation Program last year, January 15, 2020. Before ko nag-join, I'm just a plain housewife, dili ko networker, wala ko'y background sa networking business. I'm a newbie gid kayo. But despite of the fact na first timer ko, dili siya nahimong rason, wala siya nahimong babag, nga dili na ko makabot akong mga dreams in life, kung unsa man akong goals in life. With the help of my grand upline, with the help of my team, Warren and Bong, 4 months after since I joined, nakuha na ako akong first 1 million. A month after, nakuha na ako akong another million, and so on and so forth. Last July 3, 2020, palit na ako akong dream car, top of the line Isuzu MUX. O last October, nakaput up with me og another traditional business. So dako kayo na kong pasalamat aning digital transformation program nga because of this nahimo kong usa ka financially independent woman.
My name is Dimple Borla. Dati akong OFW from Kuwait. So na-invite lang din po ako sa isang negosyo kung saan pwede kang kumita ng euro gamit lang ang cellphone mo. Digital transformation business. So, pinag-aralan ko lang talaga kung paano ba talaga kumita dito gamit lang ang internet. So, in 4 months time, kumita at nagkaresulta po ako dito sa negosyong ito. At ngayon po, nagda-drive po ako sa sarili kong sasakyan. So, sobrang nakaka-excited at sobrang happy talaga na nag-for good na po ako sa Pinas. Hindi na po ako bumalik sa abroad. So, in Digital Transformation Empire, Impossible is nothing.
Hello guys, good morning. My name is Edito Galario Mandunyahan from Valencia City, Bukidnon. So gusto ko lang magpasalamat na naging part ako sa digital transformation empire. Naging successful ako doing this business just in 1 year. So nakabili ako ng kotse sa 4 na buwan lang. Sobra akong nagpasalamat na naging part ako sa business na to. So, impossible is nothing.
Hello po sa lahat. Ako po si Ladia Amila.
Ako na po si Tito Amila. Nakatira po kami sa Cagayan de Oro City.
Dati po akong sales lady sa Gaisano.
Ako na po ay isang security guard sa Gaisano.
May nasalihan na po kami na isang MLM company. At kumita naman po kami doon. At napakalaking tulong po itong opportunity na sinishare po sa amin. Itong ICT, Impact Crowd Technology. In 2 months time po, kumita na po kami ng mahigit 500,000. Kahit may pandemya. Kaya kung sino mang nanonood sa video na to, huwag po sayangin ang panahon. Kasi dito sa Team Digital Transformation Empire, panalo po tayo. In God, nothing is impossible. But here, in Impact Crowd Technology, impossible is nothing.
Hi, I am Meros Dakay. Isa po akong cashier before and a housewife. Until dumating po itong digital transformation program sa buhay namin. Actually, wala naman po talaga akong ginagawa sa account ko. Ang linagyan lang po ng partner ko, ang left and right leg ko. And now, I am earning 3.8 million in just 1 year. May nabili na akong Honda Jazz. Nakabili rin po ako ng ATV at saka lupa. Nasa bahay lang po ako. Naalagaan ko pa yung anak ko. In short, I am earning without doing nothing. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity, and thank you sa Digital Transformation Program, and also thank you sa Digital Transformation Empire. At dito ako nabilong. Once again, I am Meros Dakay. Impossible is nothing.
Hi, I am Daylene Pavilion, 23 years old, and I am Manager 3 ng dahil sa Digital Transformation Empire, nakabili ako nitong sasakyan isang Wigo 2020. Thank you so much, Digital Transformation Empire.
Good morning, guys. I am Jessa Bacasmut from Malaybalay City. I am forever grateful to Mr. Arnold Batican, who introduces this business, the Impact Crowd Technology, and to the Grand Upline, Sir Larry Mapalit, the Grand Upline of Digital Transformation Empire, who really cares and supports his team. In doing this business for 8 months, I was able to drive my dream car. Guys, check this out. This is the first digital networking company in the world, and it's very promising, and the future is bright. Nothing is impossible.
Hello everyone, I'm Mira Moreno, a public school teacher. I'm here to share with you my testimony in the company. I started Crowd1 last December 1, 2019. Back then, I was encountered financial problem that made me stress. Luckily, an opportunity came, which is Crowd1. Since then, I was able to pay all my debts, enjoy shopping, and buy some residential lots, and have fun with my lifestyles. I'm happy and proud that as of now, I am manager 2-star in the company by rank. I am forever grateful to my downlines, uplines, my friends, family, and loved ones, and above all, to our Almighty God, because with this success that I have now, and I'm proud to be part of this digital transformation team in Bukidnon. Hashtag impossible is nothing.
Hello guys, good morning. So, by the way, my name is Gilbert Fuego. Dati po akong security guard. At dahil po dito sa opportunity na to ay nag-resign na po ako. At sa ngayon, isa na po akong full-time entrepreneur. So, ang kagandahan po dito guys, dahil po sa Digital Transformation Program, ay kumita po ako ng almost 500,000 in just 8 months. So, at ang nakaka-excite po dito guys kasi makukuha ko na yung goal ko na makabili ng brand new car this year. So guys, sumali na kayo sa team namin. Huwag na kayong magpapahuli. Subukan nyo lang guys kasi kung kaya ko, mas kaya nyo rin. Dahil sa digital transformation empire, impossible is nothing.
Hi, it's me, Dennis Gomez from Valencia City, Bukidnon. Now one of the proud affiliates here in ICT or Impact Cloud Technology. Then I've been doing this business for almost 1 year and 3 months. And then I hit my first million in just 4 months only now. So isa din akong entrepreneur dati. Nagbebenta ako ng sarili kong homemade piyaya. And then nagbebenta din ng mga fresh meats katulad ng karneng baboy, karneng manok. And then after that, naging empleyado din for almost 2 years. So dati akong customer associate ng LBC. And then when I joined this type of business last March 1, 2020, it really changed my life. It really changed, especially to my family. Impossible is nothing.
Hello guys, good day. Ako si Sunny Boy Suarez, isa pa pong OFW ng Saudi Arabia. I do business in Crowd1 very seriously and I am now ranked Manager 1 Star. I already earned 400,000 in this business in just few months. Guys, anong ginagawa ko? Simple lang. Number 1, learn the business. Number 2, understand the system. Number 3, educate ourselves. Bakit? Kasi ang number 1 kalaban natin sa negosyo na to is yung mga sarili natin. Guys, naniwala po ako at paniniwalaan ko pa na yayaman tayo pareho dito basta gawin lang natin tama ang negosyo ni Crowd1. God bless everyone!
Hello guys, good day. This is your partner Carlo. Well, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung naging experience ko dito sa Crowd1 after I joined Crowd1 last year. Before doing Crowd1, isa po akong OFW sa Malaysia. Then pag uwi ko po last year, doon po na-share po sa akin ng upline ko at doon na po nagsimula yung journey ko dito sa Crowd1 na naging millionaire ako. Hindi ko po kinita sa abroad yung kinita ko dito sa Crowd1 na in just 6 months na-hit ko yung 1 million at ang mga naging achievements ko pa dito is nakabili ako ng bahay, lupa at sasakyan. In short, nabigyan ko ng magandang buhay ang pamilya ko. So sa mga taong hindi pa nakakaalam kay Crowd1, this is the best time for you na mag-business ng digital dahil lahat na po ay digital. Whether you accept it or not, buong mundo na po is digital na po. Subukan nyo pong pasukin si Crowd1, baka ito po yung makakapagbabago ng sitwasyon ninyo or ang buhay ninyo. Take the rest because you will never know what will happen to your life. Na yun na pala yung makakapagbabago ng buhay mo, yun na pala yung makakapagbigay ng magandang buhay mo to have a better life. So, to all of my team, thank you so much for all of you, to my downline, to my upline, Mr. Christian, and also Mr. Larry. Thank you so much for you, brother. Nang dahil sa iyo, maraming nabago ang buhay, maraming naging maganda ang buhay. Once again, thank you so much. And this is your business partner, Carlo, sending love to all of you guys, and impossible is nothing.
Good morning, ako nga pala si Warren, dating networker, 27 years old. Nakilala ko po itong Digital Transformation Empire last January 2020. In span of 1 year, kumita po ako ng mahigit 12 million. Nakabili ako ng 5 sasakyan at my dream house worth 6 million. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Digital Transformation Empire na tumutulong sa akin, gumaguide sa akin, especially to my upline. Thank you so much. Dahil sa iyo, nabago yung buhay ko. Sa Digital Transformation Empire, impossible is nothing.
It doesn't matter how many times I fall, but how many times I stand up after his fall. Once again, my name is Larry Turing Mapait po. Isa na po ako ordinaryong tao, no, na nakatira po sa sa farmhouse. Alright? Before, I am a car agent, I am an insurance agent, and lots of multi-level marketing company po na sinalihan, but nothing will happen to me. Alright? Ito po, one day, someone will share to me with this another level of business industry nowadays, and I would like to say thank you to this person. Kumpare ko po, si Christian Soto Villena. Pray, thank you so much, at dinamay mo ako dito sa digital transformation program mo. And to cut the long story short, in just 1 year of doing this business, I created already 20 plus millionaires. Guys, partida, pandemic time pa po ito. Kaya magtaka na kayo kung anong klaseng negosyo ito. Kung nanonood ka man ngayon sa video ko. And I will challenge you to try this opportunity. Wala namang mawawala sa inyo, kundi magkakaroon pa kayo ng magandang buhay if you do this business seriously. And now I can say to myself na successful na ako sa buong buhay ko dito sa buong mundong ibabaw. Alright? Because you know what? May nabuo na rin akong mga ordinaryong mga tao na ngayon na nagiging extraordinary millionaires na rin sila ngayon. So now, my total earnings is nasa mahigit na po sa 15 million, and I have already my house, 5 million house. I have already my sports car po sa likuran ko. Iya pa yung giant na bike ko, and I have my safari no na off-road. Alright? So, may mga ATV pa po ako. Dali po may mga racing bikes so kung marami sobra. Okay? So, with that, I have already my 6 figures monthly income na nasa bahay lang po ako. So, try nyo, walang mawawala. Nakatatak po yan. Impossible is nothing. Thank you.
I am Christian Soto Villena, the founder of Digital Transformation Empire. Bago ako napunta sa ganitong business industry, dati po akong regular na empleyado ng mga malaking kumpanya ng mga appliances and motorcycle dito sa Jensen. 2019, nasubukan ko pong maging OFW in Saudi Arabia. Then first time I did network marketing by 2013, doon ko nakita ang sistema na kung bakit ang mga mayayaman ay mas lalong mayaman in general. Then by September 2019, nabigyan po ako ng isang pagkakataon. I created Digital Transformation Program. Sa simula, maraming din naniniwala at ilan lang ang nakinig. Pero malaki ang tiwala ko sa sarili ko na kaya kong mag-build ng isang grupo. Hindi naging madali sa umpisa kasi sobrang tindi ng pagsubok ng dumaan. May mga issues at pandemic na nagpahirap sa sitwasyon natin lahat. Pero hindi ito naging hadlang at napursige pa rin ako kahit mahirap. After 1 year doing Digital Transformation Program, I created 38 extraordinary multi-millionaires. Sobrang saya ko. Naging achievements at progress ng mga leaders ko with their faith and commitment na kaya namin lagpasan ang lahat ng pagsubok na dumaan sa amin. And now I'm doing Digital Transformation Program for 1 year and 7 months. My next goal is to create 1,000 millionaires this 2021. Mas maraming exciting plans and programs kaming gagawin ng team.
And I'm his wife. I'm Christine Alpos Villena. At first, super negative po ako sa ganitong business. Galit na galit po ako why papasok sa ganitong business. That was last September 2009. Na akala ko, scam kasi yung sinasali sa pera, yun ang last money namin na panggasto panggatas kasi sila lang ang bunso namin. At that time, but isa lang yung sinasabi niya, malay mo, itong business na to, or opportunity na to, ito yung magbigay ng milyon sa atin. And thank God, di po siya napadala sa pagne-negative ko. So, for amazed po ako, in just 1 month, and he's doing business, lahat ng effort, sacrifice, kumita po agad siya ng higit na 1.2 million. Sobrang thank you kami kay Father God. Dumating ang great opportunity sa buhay namin. Life has changed talaga. Dati di namin magagawa mabili, makain, but now lahat magagawa namin. Sobrang ramdam namin yung time freedom, financial freedom, and we thank you all. Also all our leaders, Digital Transformation Empire, and trusting us promise we will guide you and support you all the way. Tara, samahan mo kami with God
and Digital Transformation Empire.